Every action you take, every decision you make, it all starts in one place, your mind. If you believe you can't do something, you'll never try. If you believe you're not enough, you'll hold yourself back. Your behavior is a direct result of your mindset. How you think shapes how you act, and how you act shapes the life you create. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Today, let's explore how changing your mindset can unlock the power to change your behavior. 1. What's behind your actions? Every choice I make is a reflection of my past, shaped by experiences that have left indelible marks on my soul. Driven by a desire for acceptance, I often find myself seeking validation from others, fearing rejection's sting. Yet beneath that yearning lies a deeper motivation, the quest for authenticity. I strive to align my actions with my values, hoping to inspire connection and understanding. Ultimately, it's the balance between desire and integrity that guides my path forward. 2. Your mindset shapes your habits. Every morning, Sophia woke up with a tinge of anxiety, her mind racing with the need to please others. As a freelance graphic designer, she often found herself altering her style to fit client preferences, sacrificing her true artistic voice for approval. One day, she stumbled upon an old sketchbook filled with unfiltered creativity. Inspired, she dared to create a project solely for herself. As the colors flowed, so did a profound realization. Genuine connection and fulfillment blossomed when she honored her own values over the fleeting validation of others, igniting a powerful transformation in her daily routine and mindset. 3. From fixed mindset to growth mindset. In the beginning, I felt trapped, believing my abilities were set in stone, dictated by past failures. Each obstacle loomed as a confirmation of my limitations, but then a subtle shift began. I started to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. I faced my fear of rejection, stepping out of my comfort zone with every project. This newfound perspective invigorated my creativity and opened doors I never imagined. As I learned to celebrate progress over perfection, I discovered resilience within myself, forever altering my personal and professional landscape. 4. The power of self-talk. Self-talk is a silent narrative that shapes our lives, often without us realizing it. When I was trapped in a cycle of negativity, my inner voice echoed harsh judgments, convincing me I wasn't good enough. This mindset stifled my creativity and paralyzed my ambitions. However, the moment I began to consciously shift my self-talk to positive affirmations, everything changed. Embracing challenges transformed from daunting tasks to exciting opportunities. Each encouraging word lifted my spirit, empowering me to align my actions with my true values, resulting in a renewed sense of purpose and fulfillment. 5. Mindset drives motivation. Mindset is the lens through which we view our challenges and aspirations. Take Alex, a young athlete who initially believed that talent was the only route to success. When setbacks derailed his dreams, he felt defeated. However, after embracing a growth mindset, he saw failures as stepping stones rather than barriers. With each practice, he learned to celebrate small victories, fueling his determination. This shift not only elevated his performance, but also inspired those around him, illustrating how a positive perspective transforms obstacles into opportunities, revealing the true potential within. 6. Shifting mindset, shifting behavior. Embracing change in thoughts and actions is often a tumultuous journey. At first, Sophia felt like an imposter, compromising her creativity for external validation. Yet, when she rediscovered her authentic artistic voice, everything shifted. This awakening sparked a desire for genuine expression, illuminating the path to fulfillment. Meanwhile, Alex grappled with setbacks, each one a shadow of doubt. However, adopting a growth mindset transformed those failures into stepping stones, revealing resilience. As both navigated their challenges, they learned that true transformation thrives on embracing authenticity and reframing adversity as a catalyst for growth. 7. The mindset of success. Success is often rooted in a mindset that embraces resilience and adaptability. Take Sophia, a graphic designer who once sought validation in every project. After a transformative realization, she pivoted her focus to creating for herself, allowing her passion to flourish. Similarly, Alex, a young athlete, faced setbacks that could have discouraged him. Instead, he began viewing failures as stepping stones for growth, redefining his path. This shift in perspective, fueled by positive self-talk, turned challenges into thrilling opportunities, propelling both towards greater fulfillment and authenticity. Ultimately, a success-driven mindset empowers individuals to align their actions with their true values, fostering an environment for personal and professional growth. Your behavior isn't random. It's shaped by the beliefs you hold about yourself. If you believe in growth, you'll take action, even when it's hard. If you believe in limitations, you'll hold yourself back. So ask yourself, what is your mindset telling you? If you change the way you think, you change the way you act. And when you change your actions, you change your life. The power is in your hands. You are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.